there, Kevin Kolbe here. So let's say you're getting ready to sell a MacBook or a Mac Mini or an iMac or one of the Mac things, right? You want to make sure before you sell it, you completely erase everything on it. The hard drive is as clean as a baby when it's born. I don't even know what that ain't make any sense. Like for example, I just bought the MacBook Pro M1 Pro. Could there be like not a better name for that? And that means I need to sell my MacBook Pro M1. So I want to make sure everything is completely wiped from it. Now this wouldn't matter whether you're selling it back to Apple or on eBay or Craigslist or anywhere like that. So the really cool thing is Mac has done us Mac people a huge favor with the new operating system Monterey, because they've built something in that makes it so easy to make sure your hard drive is completely erased, completely clean. We're gonna hop on this and I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do to make sure your computer is erased for good. Okay, click on the Apple, you'll see System Preferences, and then drop down and you'll see Erase All Content and Settings. That's how you know you have it. You'll enter your password, and then you'll see this, and it'll give you a list of everything you're getting ready to erase. Then you have to sign out of your Apple ID. Once you do that, they're gonna give you a verification code because they wanna make sure that you're sure you're getting ready to erase everything. Type in the code, and you get this screen. Erase all contents and settings and watch what happens.